wrong thing. Maybe some politician. We had a whole new list of enemies, and we declared a new war of attrition. Long way to paycheck bounce. New and impossible rules were announced. And a smile turned into a frown. The beloved old family house burned down. It was back to the usual mistakes. Back to the usual mistakes. Take a break. Back to the usual